Hi, and welcome to another video by Jim the Car Guy. Today we're going to reset the oil reminder light on a 2013. It's a Ford Edge, and the way we're going to do it is, this is our control panel right here. What we do is we turn the key to the on position so it lights up on the side like this, and then we're going to come over to this point right here, and we're going to click it down until we get to settings. Once we're at settings, we click the right hand button, and we'll enter settings. And then we're going to adjust it, so we're going to click that right hand button again. Now we're going to go to vehicle, click the right button, and we're going to scroll down till we get to oil life reset. Then we're going to click the right button again. And now he's going to ask you, do you want to reset it to 100% or 90% or whatever? We're going to reset it to 100%, so you're pressing the center button, OK, and you hold it, and you'll see it resetting. And then it comes up, oil life reset to 100%. All right, I know it's a pain in the rear end sometimes, but let's just go through it one more time, all right? Key off. We're going to get in the vehicle. We're going to go back to our, it's going to come on like that. Now we're going to scroll down with this button till we get to settings. Then we're going to press the right button, the arrow, to enter it. We're going to press the right button again. We're coming up to vehicle. Then we're going to scroll down. Until it comes to oil life. Click the right button, by the way. Oil life reset. Then you click the right button again. It enters to the oil life reset. You can either scroll down to 90%, 80%, whatever you want to do just by clicking the up and down buttons. Of course, you want to always reset it to 100%. And it tells you hold the OK button right here, and it'll reset. So let's try it again. And you see it resetting. That's it. Reset. Oil life reset to 100%. All right, if you have any questions or need any advice, send me an email. I'll be more than happy to talk to anybody about anything. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.